I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your question. I'm here with attorney John Haymond from Haymond Law Firm. Hi, John. Thanks for joining us today.
Hi, Jordan. Thank you for the invitation.
Absolutely. Okay, so we got an email from Allison K., and she asks, I was involved in a car accident on an off-ramp last week during a snowstorm when the car behind me lost control and hit me, injuring my 10-year-old daughter who was in the back seat. Does the weather conditions affect who is at fault because the medical bills are piling up?
Well, I can tell you unequivocally that the driver who hit your car from behind is absolutely at fault. We would be successful in a personal injury claim against that person, regardless of the weather conditions. Our states in New England, especially this time of year when there's snowstorms, rainstorms, ice on the road, you have to drive with a duty of care. Vehicles in and of themselves are potentially dangerous instrumentalities. So within this duty of care, you have to drive in a reasonably prudent manner. And what does that mean? Especially during a snowstorm or a rainstorm, thunderstorm, and anything of that type, you have to keep the weather conditions into account with your driving habits. So you keep a safe distance apart. Also bear in mind in Massachusetts that we have what's known as PIP coverage. That stands for Personal Injury Protection. Everybody has that who's insured in Massachusetts, and it will cover a total of up to $8,000 of combined medical bills and lost wages.
Now, what if the police officer that responded to this accident doesn't find anybody at fault? What happens then?
Well, we see that all the time, quite frankly, and regardless, as a lawyer, I can tell you that the law says otherwise. In a civil lawsuit, regardless of the police report, it will exhibit that one car was hit from behind by another car, and clearly they are at fault, regardless of the police officer's conclusion.
All right, well, thank you for all of that advice. And to ask the attorney your question, you can call 1-800-HAYMOND, or you can email asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com.